Hey you guys, so we're back with another wig install, and this wig is absolutely gorgeous. Y'all know I love my jet black, but this highlight has been doing it for me lately, and this wig is from WestKissHair, so if you want to see how I install it, stay tuned. So this is the box that it comes in, and then of course you get all of the goodies that come inside of the box to help you install your wig and also to help you store your wig after you take her off. So here's how the wig comes packaged. It's nice and protected, and this is a 5x5 HD lace closure, and it is 28 inches long. And this is what the lace is looking like. It looks literally perfect, fresh out of the box. I love that so much. So this is what the wig looks like when you take it out of the bag. She is nice and ready to be installed. The lace is bleached, pre-plucked, and the curls are already in the wig, so you don't have to worry about doing any hairstyling. You just kind of fluff them out and you're good to go. So with this wig, it does have a elastic band, which I love because it makes it feel very secure. So I'm just putting the wig on like usual, and we're going to get to installing it. So as you can see, this is what the wig is looking like. It looks already melted, low-key, minus the lace, obviously you can see, but this is what the curls are looking like, and this wig is absolutely gorgeous. Y'all know I usually do my jet black like I said, but I am loving this. I feel like I need to get me another wig like this because I feel like this is gonna be one of my new favorite looks. So per usual, you want to cut off the tabs at the end of the closure to make it easier to lay once you are going to put the hairspray on and all of that. These won't be in the way, and you guys have seen in the previous videos, I've been forgetting to take them off, but I remember this time. So I am going to go in with my same old even lace spray, and I'm going to do, I think I did 2 or 3 layers of this spray just to make sure that it is nice and laid, because I did have some work to do after this, so I wanted to make sure that the wig was actually adhered to my head and I didn't have any lifting or anything like that, because your girl be hot when I be filming behind these lights. So I'm just doing that twice, and I'm going to go ahead and lay the closure. So once I put the elastic band on, depending on how many layers I did, depends on how long I'll let it sit. Sometimes I'll go in with the blow dryer to help it like speed up the process, but usually I wait about 10 to 20 minutes or so. So now I'm gonna take it off and we're gonna see what it's working with. As you can see, it is nice and stuck. Okay, so now all we have to do is comb out the hairspray so that it's not super crispy at the hairline, and then we're gonna go ahead and start cutting off this lace. So for the baby hairs, we're gonna do the typical temple on both sides, and I'm just gonna take out a little piece and try to maneuver it because the hairspray was kind of doing me dirty here, so I was trying to get the hair out, and I decided to actually go ahead and do a piece in the middle. That used to be like my go-to, a piece in the middle and 2 on the side. I feel like it just balances out my face a little bit better. I don't know if that makes any sense at all. So as you can see here, I have out my 3 pieces, and I'm just gonna cut them short, but not too short starting off in case I need to cut them a little bit more, because obviously you can't add, but you can take away. So now that I have my edges and my lace marinating under this elastic band, I'm going to go ahead and comb out the wig so we can see what we're working with regarding the curls. And I already knew that I wanted to cut some layers in this because I feel like that would be the best looking for me. Obviously, you want to cut some type of layer to frame your face. You can leave the wig at its natural length, but I feel like it just blends and it looks so much better when you add layers. So here I'm taking my scissors and I'm just going from the top so I can do some face framing layers, and I'm just gonna kind of work my way down so I can have like a even flow going down the front of my face so it doesn't look too blotchy, like literally just the top is layered. You want to make sure it all blends seamlessly. You don't want the top to be short and then the rest of it to just be long, because it's not going to look that great, honestly. So here I'm just doing that up and down the hair, up and down the hair, also going at the ends and trimming it just to make sure it also blends. And I'm just playing around with it, seeing how I like it. And as you can see, it's already starting to form into a nice shape. So that's what you want. So now, as you can see that I've cut up one side, you can see that it has a little bit more life, a little bit more volume. The other side is just kind of one big curl. So if you want to keep it that way, you definitely can, but I feel like it's going to look even better when you cut it. So this is what the wig ended up looking like in the end. Absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I'm obsessed. The lace is nice and laid. Okay, she looks melted. I love it. I'm getting better and better at these wig installs, and I feel like it's because the wigs are coming more custom and they are just a lot easier to install. So definitely check out WestKissHair. I'll have all of the links down below for this wig so you guys can check it out. Let me know what you guys think down below and give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.